Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful boo gown. Okay, now to start up the tutorial, I'm giving this organza fabric a good press with my Binaton steam iron, and after giving it a good press, guys, this is what we have here, all smoothened out without any bond. Okay, now I divided my fabric into two, and each piece I folded it into two. Okay, that line there is my hip line, and the next thing I went ahead to do was to cut out my pattern. I worked with 4 inches for neck width, and for the front part 6 inches for neck depth, and for the back 1 inch for neck depth. Okay, now I placed the pattern on my fabric and I just connected my shoulder slant to the pattern. On the hem I marked 20 inches for my hips and also for the allowance. Okay, now after doing this, next thing I went ahead to do was to just cut it out. Now why I marked 20 inches? Because I wanted it to be big, I wanted it to be free. You can work with whatever measurement you want to work with. I also used the pattern to cut out my facing. Now the next thing I went ahead to do was to turn over my neckline with the facing, and then next I'm going to do now is to seal my neckline with this hemming gum. Okay, now I place the hemming gum under the facing, and before I iron it, I'm going to use this magic cloth that came with my Binaton steam iron, and I placed it on the facing. And the reason why I did it is to prevent the hemming gum, because this is a very light fabric, to transfer to the sole plate of the pressing iron. So after doing this, the next thing I went ahead to do was to join my shoulder slant, the sides, and also turn over the hem. Now to give this boo a little detail, I cut out this navy blue organza and I'm going to gather the edge. Okay, so I went out over to my sewing machine and I used my gather's foot presser to gather the edge. This is what we have here, guys, and the next thing I'm going to do now is to mark out where I'm going to attach the gather. So from the top to that point is 4 inches on both sides, and from those places I mark, I'm just going to attach the gathers. So after attaching the gathers, this is what we have here, guys. To spice up the neckline, I'm going to attach this applique to the neckline so everything looks beautiful. Now to finish up this outfit, I'm going to give it a good steam with my Binaton garment steamer. It has a backing screen that gives you support when you're steaming your outfit. This is the tank for the water, and it has water capacity of 1.4 liters. Now it is not full here because I want to show you guys how to put in the water. You're going to take out that water stopper and you're just going to put in your water. You want to make sure you fill it up, it doesn't go below that minimum mark. Then you're going to push in the stopper and you're going to put it back into the chamber like this. It has 4 steam levels and it produces continuous steam for 1 hour on full tank. And guys, this is a lot. Guys, the steel plate where the steam comes out from is large, and this gives a wide diffusion for fast result. It has a powerful steam output that quickly removes wrinkles, and it came with this glove to protect your other hand, so when you are steaming, the steam doesn't hurt your hand. Can you see that glide? Can you see how it's smoothing out the wrinkles? You can see the difference between the place I've steamed and the place that I have not steamed. Okay, now one reason for this garment steamer is for sensitive outfits, for your bustiers, for your gowns, for those outfits that you don't want to press them, you want it to still retain this fluffy look. After steaming the outfit, this is what we have here, guys. I cannot see any wrinkle, they are gone, disappeared. And guys, this is how I made this very beautiful boo. I'm so in love with it, and I'm going to wear it to church on Sunday. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back for more videos.